Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, doing our up-close paint video. See, they did a pretty good job as far as not a lot of swirl marks or anything. There is some debris, so hopefully you can see that. So probably could use you can see some paint nibs in there. Hopefully that helps you see them. So a little driver quality paint, but got a good shine to it, as you can see the reflection of the light. So like I said, not a lot of sand scratches or anything in it. Just a few nibs. There, I think you can see them. So probably a little wet sand take care of that, but like I said, driver quality paint on it. They did so they painted it with the weather, with the door felts there, because you can see a little overspray. There you can see, a couple little issues right there. And there is some filler on the left quarter there. So, driver quality car, as we call the business, a 10-footer because of some of the nibs and some of the body work. But I'm as transparent as they come. Most guys show you a video from 20 feet and tell you it's the greatest looking car in the world. I'm telling you, this is a very nice car and driver quality paint with few imperfections. So, which for the price, you probably realize that anyway. So if you're looking for an affordable Mustang convertible, give me a call, 605-695-7391.